Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you DIY miniature slime kits inspired by emojis. If you enjoy this video, please click that like button and comment down below with any future video suggestions you might have. If you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see more fun DIY videos, please click that subscribe button. To get started, you will need 3 of these miniature breath drop bottles. I got this 3-pack at the dollar store. And the other thing that you will need is a miniature bottle of eye drops, and I also found this at the dollar store. After you've used the product in the bottles, you'll just want to thoroughly wash and clean them out. Here is my eye drop bottle. Once it was washed and cleaned out, I removed the labels from the front and back. Next, I printed out the Elmers Glue label. I will leave a link down below to all the printables. I did laminate it with a piece of clear packaging tape. I applied some glue to the back and glued it to the eye drop bottle. Now to fill the little mini bottle, just remove the top piece. To fill the bottle, I used a cat feeding syringe, but you can also just squeeze the glue in from the Elmer's bottle. That will work too. Then I just put all the pieces back on, and that is the mini glue bottle. And here are my 3 breath drop bottles. I just removed the labels from all of those. I'm going to fill one of the bottles with some contact lens solution. I printed out the label and cut it down to size, placed some clear packaging tape over it, and then glued it to the bottle. Remove the piece from the top and then just add some contact solution to the mini bottle. For the next mini bottle, I'm going to add some shaving gel. Again, I printed out the label, laminated it with packaging tape, cut it down to size, and glued it to the bottle. Next, I just filled the bottle with some shave gel, and you have to do this really slowly and just squeeze a little bit in and tap the bottle till it starts going down into the little mini bottle, and it does get a little messy. In the last mini bottle, I'm going to add some yellow acrylic paint. Again, just print out the label, laminate it, cut it down to size, and glue it to the bottle. Then I just carefully filled the little mini bottle with some of the yellow acrylic paint. Now I'm going to make a plastic bag for all of the mini bottles to go in. I just took a Ziploc bag, marked off at about 2.5 inches, drew a line across, and cut that out. This is what you should have. To seal the long side, I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper, place my Ziploc bag in there. Then with a metal ruler, I'm going to make a border, and with an iron, I'm going to seal that side closed. And here is mine once it was sealed. I printed out the box Again, all the links will be down below for the printables. And once I had it printed out, then I just cut it out. There's my box once it was cut out. Now I just started folding on the lines to form the box. Once it was folded, I glued along the long side, glued that to the other end, and then I glued along the bottom to close the box up. Couple more things to go in the box. One is a wooden skewer, and I just cut that down to size. You can also use a toothpick. And the last thing will be a lip balm container. Now for the next part, I printed out an emoji and I stuck that behind the top of the lip balm container, and I drew on the face. You can do this step before you make the slime or after you make the slime. And here is my emoji once I was done. I gathered all my mini bottles and placed them in the plastic bag. Then I put everything in the box. Now I'm going to unpackage the box and test out the slime. In the bottom of the lip balm container, I placed some of the glue. Next, I added in a little bit of the yellow paint and mixed that together. Once that's mixed together, add in some of the shaving gel. Slowly start adding the contact lens solution until it forms slime. And here is my emoji fluffy slime once it was done. Place it in the container and save it for later. And that is how you make this version of the DIY miniature fluffy emoji slime. To make the next version of the DIY miniature emoji slime kit, you will need 2 of the breath drop bottles along with 1 of the eye drop bottles. I filled the eye drop bottle just like before and applied the label to one of the breath drop bottles. I'm going to fill that with liquid starch. So I printed out the label, laminated it, and glued it to the bottle. The other breath drop bottle, I'm going to fill with some yellow glitter. And here are my 3 bottles once I was done. Next, I drew on my emoji face to the lip balm container. A Assemble the box and the plastic bag just like before. Now I'm going to unbox this one and test out the glitter slime. First, I added some glue to the lip balm container. Next, I added some glitter and stirred that together. Slowly add in the liquid starch until it forms slime. And here is my glitter emoji slime once I was done. Place it in the container and then you can play with it later. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIY miniature slime kit ideas inspired by emojis. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you have any future video suggestions, please leave those in the comments. Until next time, I hope you guys all have an amazing day.